Alright, hey guys, and welcome to another video. So we are going to go through a couple of things today, a bit of a different video, but we have bought a car that we are going to turn into a burnout car. So it'll be a regoed car, but it'll be a pad car that we're going to try and enter in a couple of competitions and do a little mini series with it. But after that, we will be giving it away to one of you lucky followers. So it'll just be an easy thing where you guys can buy a sticker and that will give you one free entry into winning the car. So you could win the car for like 15 bucks because that's what a sticker will cost. It'll be a sticker that sort of looks something like this. I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but yeah, so not only do you get a sticker, but you get a free entry. So we'll be doing that. Couple of things that we are going to do on the car, just a quick brief rundown. We will be putting a mini spool diff in it, so we'll do a video on that. We will be manualizing the transmission, so we'll do a little video on that too. I've got a couple of clips already because we did buy the car a few weeks back. I'll go through those videos today with you. Couple of things that we've done, like lowering it, going and buying it as well. Obviously we got a good buy on it, but we're also just basically going to show you guys how to build a burnout car on a low budget. We're going to try and keep it under 4,000, including buying the car. The car we started off with is a 2001 VX S-Pack, but it's a L67, so it's supercharged. It's got a couple of little things that are done to it. Supercharger pulley upgrade. It's got pacemaker extractors. It's got a stage 2 shift kit in it, so it shifts a bit harder. It goes surprisingly well. Like, it's not too bad. It's Holden by design. It's got a factory sunroof. It's got some horrible things that are done to it as well, like as you'll see. But we'll roll to a little video now where we went and bought the car.
I'll tell you what, it's not original. You go off on one of my mates, real burnout. You do it fucking. There is a possible
Fucking sunroof. Shift's killer.
What are you thinking?
$2 grand.
2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so after we bought the car, we took it down to my work, which is not an auto shop, but it's a warehouse. We got Duncan from SAWHITEWALLTYRES to come in and do a little bit of work on it. He's not finished yet, but we got him to roll the guards, lower this, chuck some springs in it, some lowered springs. I will go through all of the things that we've spent on the car too, guys, like at the end of the video. Like how much the springs cost me. Like there's a lot of little things that you know, even if they were cheap parts or expensive parts or anything like that, we'll go through them all. You know, I didn't buy this car to just slap a whole heap of money into it. I suppose I could like turn it into a wicked car if I wanted to, but like I said, I'm trying to do it on a budget so some of you guys out there can see you can be competitive with, you know, something quite cheap. All right, so we'll flick to another video now where we had Duncan just doing some guard rolling for us, fitting up some 20s, popping some springs in. Don't recommend that you do it the way we did it, but it's a pretty easy way to get some springs in. But all right, so we have Duncan here from SA White Walls. Is that my mate?
Hey bro.
Say hello to the people. So,
Say what was hard and guard rolling.
And guard rolling. SA White Wall Tires and guard rolling. So today he is going to roll the guards for us so we can fit these 20s in. And then we're going to chuck some lowered springs in the back of it. We can't do walls today because we're not going to have enough time. But yeah, he'll be back next time and we'll do some walls in yellow, won't we, Duncan?
Yellow, yep. We've got to do white, but it's got to be yellow.
Yeah, we were thinking white, but I think on the black, definitely yellow. On the black wheels will look good. Yeah, the fucking G8s.
Now time for that spring to fuck off. This has toe rub.
So what are we doing now, Duncan?
We're
Don't worry about the rubber under there, bro. That rubber's fine.
I reckon this is tie shine, bro.
Nah, it's rubber, bro.
Nah, it's tie shine.
Yeah, that's
Literally.
right. Yeah, it is tie shine, yeah.
Some cunts fucking.
Yeah.
We love the tie shine.
Yeah.
Lip gloss, I call it.
Yeah. What are we doing?
We are undoing this bottom stock.
Yep. Yeah, just get rid of that. Get rid of that tie shine. Goodbye. Alright. Do not try this at home, kids. Goodbye. That's how you fucking get your springs out. The professional way. Nice.
That's in like.
That was pretty easy to put in, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In like Flynn.
Alright, so we made a trip down to U-Pull It, me and Alana. Couple of things that I wanted to change on the VX were tail lights, because those tail lights on it are horrible. I guess it's each to your own, like, but I personally do not like them. So we made our way down there just because we needed to get some tail light looms, because the looms that were changed on the car, we couldn't just swap the standard lights on. So the people that put the Altezza tail lights in it, like, I'd obviously change the looms as well. So we went down to get some new looms, a new cluster surround, so like all the dash fascia, because the previous owner spray painted it red. Even though red's my favorite color, it still turned out really bad. So we got one of those, but yeah, take a look at this.
What are we looking for?
We've come here to You Pull It today to try and find tail light loom for the Burnout car. So we're looking for something VX. When are you going to pull up that? Hectic. Alright. Need a VX. Taking. Looms. Are you serious, man?
Got one?
Yes. Alright, so we have found what we come here to find, which is
Treasure.
tail light looms. Alright guys, so after heading down to You Pull It, we managed to get a couple of little parts that we needed. So we managed to get the tail light looms. That's what we went there for in the first place. We were pretty lucky actually, because out of 20 odd VXs, there was like 2 that had tail light looms that weren't damaged and in good condition. So we got those. We managed to get like another cluster surround, like the fascia that goes across the whole front, to replace the ugly red one. We were lucky to find some tail lights as well. The tail lights cost us only like, I think it was like $20 each or something. I managed to find them on Facebook, so that's pretty good. We'll do a little video of changing them up. It's not that interesting, but probably do it when we do the paintwork. So that's one thing I haven't really mentioned yet. The roof has some fade on it. The boot has some fade on it. The bonnet did have some fade on it as well, but we were lucky to find another bonnet on Facebook. Turns out the guy follows the page, which was pretty good, and we managed to do a little bit of a merch deal with him. So we swapped some stuff for a bonnet. So we got that done on a low budget, which is good, and the bonnet's in pretty good nick. But yeah, we'll get the roof sprayed. I'll do a video for that, where we spray the roof and the boot. Then the next video though will be us putting in the line locker to lock the back brakes off, doing a mini spool diff in it. I mentioned it before, but that'll be in the next video. Then after that will probably be the paint video. Then we're going to do, we still got to lower the front as well, so we've only lowered the back of it at the moment. So, but we got some springs, one of the guys from the page as well, which was pretty good of him to send us some springs from another state, which was awesome. So that's helped keep the budget down as well. But yeah, so we're gonna lower the front of it. I think we went triple SLs in the back, but they're like Lavelle springs. Then we're gonna put 2 SLs in the front. We'll do a video as well. We've got a detailer that's coming on board with us. So he's going to jump on board and he's going to do a full detail. So we'll see how it comes up. We'll see if there's any other paintwork that we need to do. I don't think there is at this stage, but yeah, thanks to KJF Detailing. So he's a local boy. He's going to do a bit of a paint correction, I guess, and give it a good detail and see how that goes. But the car is pretty straight and it is pretty clean, so we're pretty lucky. Now I'll tell you how much we paid for the car. The guy wanted $4,000 for it. I went there with absolutely no intentions of spending $4,000 on the car. At the stage I was sort of happy to pay around, $2,800 or something for it. with intentions of spending maybe $1,500 on it. But we managed to scrape him down to 2,000, which was a pretty good buy. So look, if you hunt around, guys, you will find what you want. You've just got to be patient. I was waiting quite a while to find a car to start with. You know, I could have bought a lot of stuff, but a lot of stuff was just rubbish at the time. And like, what can you really expect for, you know, $2,000 to $3,000? But yeah, so a couple more things we got to do to the car. But we'll take you along for the whole thing. It'll probably be a mini series of about maybe 4 or 5 episodes, guys. It's not going to be a massive series, but if this gets pretty popular, I guess we will keep doing them. We'll do them quite a bit, and we'll keep giving them away as well. But obviously, we'll just see how the first one goes. But yeah, look, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.